The forest didn't wake up today. Fumbly felt it the moment he hopped onto his path. No warmth, no light, just silence. He looked at the small flower he always greeted. It should have been bright, but instead it was drooping and pale, as if its very life had slipped away. A little farther on, Fumbly noticed a line of ladybugs. They never marched quietly. They were always cheerful, red and full of sparkle. But today, every single one of them was grey, their colours gone, their joy missing. Fumbly's ears lowered. What was happening? He reached the big oak tree, home of a tiny bird family. Usually the chicks chirped wildly the moment they saw him, but now they huddled in the nest, sleepy and sad. Their mother stood beside them, her feathers washed out, her voice barely a whisper. Something, or someone, was taking the warmth, the colour, the kindness from the forest. Fumbly felt a small tremble under his paws, a soft rumble, as if something moved, underground. He followed the faint disturbances through the trees until he found a small, dark opening beneath a root, a tunnel. Fumbly took a deep breath and squeezed inside. The darkness wrapped around him like a blanket. But then, tiny flickers appeared. Small glowing pieces of light, a shimmer of warm flower glow, a sparkle of ladybug red, a quiet echo of a mother bird's gentle song. And there, curled up around them, sat a tiny mole, blind, shivering, holding the glowing bits as if they were the only warmth he had ever felt. Fumbly stepped closer. The mole flinched, frightened. I didn't want to hurt anyone. I've lived in darkness my whole life. I only wanted a little light, a little kindness. Fumbly's anger melted. This wasn't a thief driven by greed. This was a creature who had never known the warmth he had taken. You don't have to hide it down here. Kindness isn't something we keep. You can feel it too, if you let it shine. Slowly, gently, Fumbly took the mole's paw. He led him toward the tunnel entrance, step by trembling step. When they reached the surface, sunlight brushed the mole's fur. He couldn't see it, but he felt it, warm, soft, alive. Above them, the forest began to change. The flower lifted its head. The ladybugs regained their bright reds. The little chicks perked up, and their mother's song returned, light and hopeful. The mole listened, and for the first time in his life, he smiled. Sometimes those who take from others have never received anything themselves. Kindness isn't meant to be hidden. It only grows stronger when we share it with others. The forest glowed again, and now there was room for one more heart in its light.